Okay, what you've been watching Janice put in the top, as I mentioned earlier, is a layer of coke and a layer of iron. The iron is actually pre-measured in the 38-pound buckets. We do that because the measurements have to be pretty close to precise to make sure that the mixture of coke and iron stays balanced. The coke weighs about 7 pounds, but don't let that fool you. It's really a lot of coke. Coke is just very, very light. As they layer each coke, iron, it allows the inside to heat evenly, and then as I mentioned, the iron sinks to the bottom, and that's what will come out the front. Any other questions out there? Okay, you guys have reached your question quota. Oh, okay.
I ain't been looking for it. We didn't looking for it. I mean, I had no idea.
So his question was, when did the iron industry really flourish in Georgia? Good segue. Iron, believe it or not, the iron mines here were very active through the Civil War era. And then shortly after that, iron declined as an industry here because it began to be far more expensive to continue getting the iron out of the ground than in some other iron-rich areas. But iron was a huge industry here. The furnaces, how many of you have been over to Cooper's Furnace? Cooper's Furnace? Anybody? Anybody? Okay. Great big tall furnace. It basically does the exact same thing as